Men back, but we're in Tennessee this time. We got Black Fox and Nate together. We're on the Speed Triple R, the Street Triple, and you can see the Dragon, as well as all of our armed forces flags, and that's why we stopped here.
We stopped here. This isn't Tennessee. This is North Carolina. Tennessee's right over there. The line right there. You can see it. So we're right at Deals Gap right now. We're about to slay some dragon.
So we had a good productive weekend so far. This is going to be the fun video for you because we've already made our destination in Houston, Texas, going to the island
of Galveston
and getting a video for the Lone Star Rally, do some marketing down there. Then we headed out to the Mission Canine Rescue, and that was in Magnolia, Texas.
That's right.
Where we met Chris, who was spectacular, and you'll see that video.
Kristen, that was amazing what you're doing. We're in full support. So if you want to support us, to support them, then getting hold of us. That's the key.
MOTO.MEN, not MOTOMEN.com, but MOTO.MEN. We've got Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. The YouTube channel, please hit that up. Give us some likes and some shares. Subscribe, build our passion for helping others in need, disabled American veterans, the Wounded Warrior, and our individual donations. The U.S. War Dogs, the Mission Canine, specifically helping that facility in Magnolia, Texas, that we're going to see all those beautiful dogs.
And we've got the American Cancer Society.
Yes, so we've hit all the spectrums and helped all the communities in different areas that we possibly could think of. And now we are at Deals Gap for our fun.
Now we're going to go ride that thing. How many corners in there? What do they say? 318?
And 11 miles. So we're going to give you a short clip of that little stretch through there, nice and easy, right?
And we're going to cruise this time. I think we roasted some tire, but cruising still means fun. So let's go out, see the views, take some pictures, and we'll be back with you.
Thanks for watching Moto Men, and we'll be with you soon as we get back to Virginia.
Pal, buddy.
Boom.